Dear students, today we are discuss about the MOSFET depletion MOSFET. So in previous video we discussed about the FET. Now basically FET is the two parts. One is the JFET and another one is the MOSFET or insulated gate field effect transistors. Now as here so, MOSFET is the metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistors, basically two types. One is the depletion mode and another one is the enhancement mode. Now in depletion mode, same way in FET it says N channel and P channel, same here is the N channel and P channel, also enhancement is the N channel and P channel. So today we discuss about the depletion mode. Is basic symbols is given. What is the difference here for the symbolically in FET or in depletion type MOSFET? Here is the two line is draw. One is the gate and this line and this line, between this we are separated. So here is the insulations is provided between these two. These are the major difference between the FET and the MOSFET, and one additional terminal is the substrate. Now we see here depletion type, it's require gate source voltage. It means voltage between gate and source such like that is behave like a switch device off. It means is a normally closed switch behave like this way. In enhancement mode requires gate source voltage VGS to switch device on, and this is normally open switch. Now we here in this video we discuss about the depletion mode N channel and depletion mode P channel MOSFET is construction and working. So here N channel depletion type MOSFET, here is the construction. Now as shown in the figure, we take two N type material semiconductor material and P type semiconductor material. P type semiconductor material consider as a substrates and terminal is SS, and N type material is one is the source and one is the drain. In between these two, the closed conductive channel is available is the N type and one is the gate terminal. Now in this, here is a very thin layer as the insulation is imparted between gate and substrates is silicon dioxide. So here as is a source, G is a gate, D is a drain, SS is a substrates. Now we want to discuss about the working of MOSFET of a depletion type. So here we considering two cases. In first case, suppose we are given a VGS is equal to 0. It means no voltage is given. It means a gate to source is a ground, substrate is also to be ground. So this our terminal is a grounded with respect to this way. So here voltage is 0. So now when the voltage is given between the drain and source, at that time drain is connected to positive terminal of the battery and negative terminal to source. Now we know that in the N channel the majority charge carrier is electrons. So numbers of electrons here is attract here is the positive terminal of the battery or source of VDS. So flow of electrons is such like that, it's called natural current flow due to electrons, and the conventional current flow to positive to negative is called drain current, is called IT. So this way VGS is equal to 0. It means when gate voltage is not given, at that time IT current can be increased. So VDS is increased, then current is also increased up to the majority charge carriers available in the channel. Now in case 2. Now in case 2 we are considering the voltage is negative. It means VGS is equal to less than 0. It means gate terminal is negatively given. So upper portions of the gate is negative. So as we know, the capacitor having two terminal or two conducting plate between its insulation media. So if here is a negative terminal charge, so here is the positive terminal charge. So like that construction, same here, these are the insulation is SiO2 upper side is the gate, is the negative. So and the bottom of this is the n channel. So majority charge carrier in n channel is electrons, and P is the substrates. Here is the majority charge carrier is holes. Now due to that negative effect of the gate terminal voltage, the electrons in the n channel are repelled from this and holes are attracted this way. So in between this n channel, these holes and electrons are recombination processes start. So recombination processes start. At that time what happen? These free electrons, numbers of free electrons in n channel, which are the current flow through drain to source, will be reduced. So electrons repelled by negative potential of gate and holes are attracted to the negative potential of the gate. So these recombinations of that charge carriers is reduced, free electrons is reduced, so ID is decreased. So here as shown in graph, ID versus VDS. So here when VDS is given, so starting it will be increase sharply like ohmic region, and then after saturated and fixed, the constant current can flow at the time of VGS 0. Now if voltage VGS is decreased, it means negative, then gate voltage is negative, then ID will be decrease. If gate voltage is positive, then it will increase. So this way we can discuss about the n channel depletion type MOSFET. Now second one, same way, P channel depletion MOSFET. Difference is that here is substrate is N instead of P and channel is P instead of N. So sorry, we can also the supply voltage between drain and source will be reverse. Here is the negative and the positive. So what happen if here is the majority charge carrier is holes and these holes are attract this way, so holes current will be flow this way. So if we are considering the case this is a 0, VGS is equal to 0 at that time. Now in considering the voltage VGS is positive, so here is the positivity is increased, so upper side is the positivity is increased. Due to that P type material, P type channel is the majority charge carrier is holes and the N substrate is majority charge carrier is electrons. So same way happened when what in the N channel, same way happened in the P channel. The recombination process, holes and electrons are here, which reduce the free holes which are flow from drain to source will be reduced. So same way, if VGS is a 0, then current will be sharply increased and then it will be stop ID and then constant. So these are the value. If the voltage positively is increased, then drain current is decrease. So at that time when the start with the saturation mode, at that voltage is called as a pinch off voltage. So in these two cases we see that the graph will be so that current will be flow due to the gate voltage and controlled by the gate voltage. So this way is the MOSFET will be working in a depletion mode. So next video we are discuss about the enhancement mode in N channel and P channel. Okay, thank you.